Hello team and family. Today we're working on classifying rational numbers. So we're going to go through a couple problems that deal with the basics of starting to put in numbers into fraction form. So it says at the top, representing division as a fraction. Alicia and her friends Brittany, Kenji, and Ellis are taking a pottery class. The four friends have to share 3 blocks of clay. How much clay will each of them receive if they divide the 3 blocks evenly? Part A. The top faces of the 3 blocks of clay can be represented by squares. Use the model to show the part of each block that each friend will receive. Explain. So, looking at the model, there's 3 blocks of clay, and there's 4 friends that need to divide it evenly. So the first one's been done for us. So we're going to go ahead and do the second one. And also the third one. And now we split those 3 blocks of clay into 4 equal sections. So we split each box into 4 equal sections. Each piece of one square is equal to what fraction of a block of clay? So each piece of one square. So each one of these little pieces, I see that there's a total of 4 pieces, and one of them would be 1/4. So each little piece, let me shade in one up here. This one piece is 1/4 of that block of clay. Explain how to arrange the pieces to model the amount of clay each person gets. Sketch the model. So I like doing the models first, so I'm going to go ahead and put another square here, another square here, and another square here. Now that does not mean each person gets a square or a block of clay, because there's only 3 blocks. So then I'm going to do what Alicia has. I'm going to do the same thing for all 3. So let me get another color. I'm going to shade in 1, 2, 3 for Brittany. 1, 2, 3 for Kenji. And then 1, 2, 3 for Ellis. If I've done this correctly, each person should get 3, and I should total these up to get 12 total sections, because we divided 3 blocks into 4 sections. And so we know that 3 times 4 is 12. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12. Explain how to arrange the pieces to model the amount of clay each person gets. Each person, after doing the models, gets 3 pieces. What fraction of a square does each person's pieces cover? So I know that Alicia, for instance, she has 3 pieces out of 4, and then everybody else has 3 pieces out of 4. So each person has 3/4 of a block of clay, or 3 out of 4 pieces. How much clay will each person receive? Each person receives 3/4 block. Because I can see if I split these equally, each person gets 3 out of 4, and that totals 12, which up here at the top, I know that there's going to be 12 pieces. And that is my answer.